Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are discussing about alkaloid and briefly describe about opium and vinca. So let's start. So first of all, what are the alkaloids? Alkaloids are naturally occurring basic substances having heterocyclic nitrogen and which are obtained from amino acids. Both are found in plants and animals. What are the types of alkaloids? There are three main types of alkaloids. First is the true alkaloids, second is the pseudo alkaloids, third is the proto-alkaloids. True alkaloids which originate from amino acids and have a heterocyclic nitrogens. Pseudo alkaloids which come from different biosynthetic pathways but resemble alkaloids, and proto-alkaloids which come from nitrogen but lack a heterocyclic rings. These compounds play important roles in medicine and pharmacology.
First of all, what are the synonyms? Opium, also known as crude opium, raw opium, gum opium and afim. Then what is the biological source? Opium comes from unripe capsules of Papaver somniferum. It is obtained by air-dried milky latex obtained by incision. What are the family? Family is Papaveraceae. And what is the scientific name? Papaver somniferum. What is the part? Main part is the unripe capsules. How this is obtained? By air-dried milky latex obtained by incision. What are the geographical sources? Geographical sources is the Turkey, Russia, India, Pakistan, Iran, Afghanistan. In India, opium is mainly cultivated in Madhya Pradesh, mainly Nimach, and Uttar Pradesh, Gazipur. The history of opium dates back to 3400 before Christabdo in Mesopotamia and later to 1300 before Christabdo by Egyptians. Hippocrates, the father of medicine, prescribed opium. Alexander the Great, who introduced opium to India in 1805, German pharmacist Friedrich first isolated morphine, naming it after Morpheus, the god of dreams. The narcotic and psychotropic substances are regulated under the Act 1985, latex collected by skilled persons using nustur. What are the macroscopic characteristics? Opium has a strong characteristics odor and a bitter in taste. Indian opium is dark brown in color and is usually marketed in cubical pieces weighing around 900 grams, wrapped in tissue paper. It is both brittle and plastic in nature. Internally, it has a homogeneous appearance depending upon the requirement. Powdered opium is available in packs ranging from 5 to 10 kilograms. Opium contains various alkaloids including morphine, codeine, narcotine, thebaine, noscapine, narcein and papaver. These are classified into 5 different types: morphine type, phthalate isoquinoline type, benzyl isoquinoline type, cryptopine type and some unknown constituents. These compounds have significant medical and pharmaceutical uses, especially in pain management and medicine. Opium poppy contains several important chemical constituents known as alkaloids. The most well-known is morphine, a powerful pain reliever. Codeine is a milder opioid used in cough syrups and pain medication. Thebaine, though toxic on its own, is a precursor for making oxycodone and other pharmaceuticals. Oripavin is a thebaine metabolite with similar properties. Papaver is a different, it's not an opioid but a vasodilator helping with blood flow issues. Lastly, noscapine has cough suppression properties and is being studied for potential anti-cancer effects. These alkaloids have saved medicine for centuries. Opium and morphine are powerful narcotics with analgesic and sedative effects used to relieve pain, diarrhea, dysentery, and cough. Codeine is a mild sedative commonly found in cough syrup. Noscapine is unique. It's not a narcotic but works as a central antitussive to suppress cough. Papaver, on the other hand, is not an opioid but a smooth muscle relaxant helping to treat muscle spasms. These alkaloids have diverse medical uses, making them essential in medicine. Vinca, also known as Vinca rosea, Catharanthus, Madagascar periwinkle and Burmese. is a medicinal plant from the Apocynaceae family. It is obtained from the dried entire plant of Catharanthus roseus, originally from Madagascar, and it is now widely found in tropical and subtropical regions including India, Australia, South Africa, North and South America. The plant is famous for its medicinal properties, especially in cancer treatment. The biosynthesis of Vinca Alkaloids starts with tryptophan and geraniol, leading to tryptamine and secologenin, which combine to form streptozidine. This key intermediate then branches into tebarsonin and catharanthine. Tebarsonin converts to vindoline, which along with catharanthine forms 3,4-anhydrovinblastine. Finally, this leads to two major anti-cancer drugs. One is the vinblastine and one is the vincristine, widely used in chemotherapy. Let's talk about cultivation and collection of Vinca. For cultivation, Vinca thrives in all soil types. Farmers cut stem, separate leaves and seeds and dry them properly. The roots are later collected, washed and packed for use. It has the characteristics odor and bitter taste. The flowers are hermaphrodite. Leaves are petiolate, entire margin ovate or oblong, glossy appearance and with acute apex. Fruit is follicles with numerous black seeds. What are the chemical constituents? Dimer indole alkaloids, vinblastine and vincristine is the main chemical constituents. Other components are vindoline and catharanthine, which are indole monomeric alkaloids. Other components are azmalicin, serpentine, tetrahydroaldostenin, monoterpenes, sesquiterpenes, indole and indoline glycosides. Vinblastine is an anti-tumor alkaloid used in Hodgkin disease, while vincristine treats leukemia in children. Periwinkle is used as an astringent tonic for conditions like menorrhagia and bleeding piles. It also helps treatment of scurvy, sore throat and inflamed tonsils as a gargle. It is also used in the treatment of diabetes. The flowers of periwinkles are gently mild purgative. It's all for opium and Vinca. For more details, please check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.